Hello, all of you. In today's session, we are going to discuss few examples of practice set 3.3. I'll solve few example and remaining you can solve for your homework. For the today's session, try to keep practice set 3.3 in front of you. Practice set 3.3 because in the practice set 3.3, I'm not copy pasted problems over here. I'm going to directly write down the problem. So what exactly is the problem in the textbook? For that purpose, you can keep textbook in front of you and pause the video right now and just take a textbook and open the page number 72 and just come on the problem number 3. Okay. Now, what is the problem number 3? Find the sum of find the sum of find the sum of all even numbers. Sum of all even numbers. Sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350. 1 to 350. Right? So we knew that which are the even numbers? The number divisible by 2. The number which is divisible by 2 is considered as a even number. Means the simplest definition we can have. So from 1 to 350, 1 is a even number. No, it is odd number because we can't divide 1. Definitely we can define a word, but there should not be any remainder. There should not be the whatever the quotient will come, that should be a we can say that whole number, not a fraction. So even we can say that whenever we are talking about the even number, the number should be completely divisible by and the quotient should be non-decimal, or it should not be a fraction, right? So which are the even number from 1 to 350? That is, a 2 is the first even number, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, and up to 350 we can, because 350 is also a, we can say that, even number. So from this arithmetic progression, or from this sequence, first term, that is equals to 2, that is we can denote it by a, I'm going to denote it by a letter A, and the common difference over here is equals to 2. Why common difference is 2? Because 10 minus 8, it will come 2, 8 minus 6, it will come 2, 6 minus 4, that is also 2, 4 minus 2, that is also equal to 2. So that's the reason why common difference is here 2. And the last term, that is Tn, will be is equal to 350, but we don't know the value of n. We don't know the value of one n, right? And they ask you to find out sum of the even number. So what is the formula of sum of the any n terms? That is equals to n by 2 in bracket twice a plus n minus 1 into d. We have a, we have d, right? But we don't know the value of n, and we wanted to find out Sn. So in order to find out the n, I already explained in previous examples, but so how to find out the value of n? We have the formula for n, that is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So here we have Tn, that is equals to 350. A will be is equals to, here we have 2, the value of a is given, that is equals to 2, plus n minus 1, n is equals to what? N we don't know, and d is equals to 2. So take a 2 to this side, so that will become 350 minus 2, that will be is equals to n minus 1 into, right? So 350 minus 2, that is equals to 348, will be is equals to n minus 1 into 2. Take a 2 to this side, right? So it will be n minus 1 will be is equals to 348 divided by 2. I am going to take this 2 to this side, so it will get divided to the 348. So we got n minus 1 will be is equal to 348 divided by 2, that is around 174. So n will be is equals to, this 1 will go to this side, it will get added, 174 plus 1, because here it is a minus, it will become plus to other side. So n will be is equals to 175. So we got the value of n. That means we have the value of a, we have the value of a, we have the value of d, and now we have the value of n. You can find out Sn. So Sn will be is equals to Sn will be is equals to what? 1 by 2 is equals to what? 175 divided by 2 into a is equals to what? 2 plus n minus 1, n is equals to what? 175 minus 1, right? Into d is equals to what? That is also 2, right? By simplifying you will get 175 by 2. You can even divide 175 by 2, but we keep as it is. So 4 2s are 4 plus 175 minus 1, that is 174, and 174 2s are how much? That is how much it is? You can calculate, that is 348. Now that is 175 by 2 multiplied by 4 plus 348, that is equals to 352. So you can simplify this, you can divide, multiply this, you will get answer that is around 3080, around 30800, right? So this is nothing but a addition of a this term. You can simplify this, you can quite easily simplify this, because 175 divided by 2, it will be 87.5, and into that is 352, it will be 30800. So that is the answer. Or directly you can divide here 2 by 352, you will get how much? Root 352 divided by 2, around 176. It will be 176, and 175 into 176, you will get this multiplication. So this was quite easiest. How we solved the problem? They asked you to find out the sum of all the even numbers. We know that the even numbers, that means the number which is divisible by 2. Which are the number from 1 to 350 are divisible by 2, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to 350, because 350 is also even number. And then afterward, by observing this sequence, by observing this arithmetic progression, we can say that first term is 2, and the common difference is d equal to 2, and the last term it is nothing but a 350, and from the last term I got the value of n. So by getting the value of a, d and n, I put the value of a, d and n, and I got the value of Sn, right? So this is quite easiest, right? Now let's move towards next problem. If you wanted to take a screenshot, okay, let me see. You can pause the video over here and you can take a screenshot. Okay, now let me move towards the next problem, right? Now problem number 4. It is also easiest one. What is the problem number 4? The arithmetic progression. In the arithmetic progression, they said that there is arithmetic progression. The 19th term, the 19th term will be is equals to how much? Is 52. 19th term is 52. Let me write proper manner. 19th term is 52, right? So 19th term is 52, and 38th term is 128, and they ask you to find sum of the first 56 term. Find sum of first sum of first 56 terms. So from last statement, you can say that you can have a solution right now. From the last term, you can say that n is equals to what? How many terms are there? 56 terms are there. So one part is over, and we have. But 19th term, that means T19 is given, that is equals to how much? 52, and T38 which is given, that is equals to 128, right? So but we knew that Tn is equals to what? Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Similarly, T19 I can write down, that is equals to a plus 19 minus 1 into d. That means T19 is equals to how much? 52, will be is equals to a plus 19 minus 1, 18d. This is 8, right? 18d. So let this is equation is say 1. Now similarly over here also, T38 can be written as T38 is equals to what? A plus 38 minus 1d, right? So T38 is equals to 128, will be is equals to a plus 38 minus 1, 37 into D 37D. Let's this equation. So you said that's why you are just doing like this, because I want you to know the value of A and D. Then I can able to use the formula of Sn. Right. So from the equation 1 and 2, subtract equation 1 from 2. So I'm writing equation 2 over here. That is A plus 37D will be is equal to 128. And what is the equation second? Equation first, sorry, that is A plus 18D will be is equal to 52. Right? You can subtract this. I'm waiting for your answer. So A, the sign will get minus, minus and minus. A minus A, that is 0, plus 37 minus 18. 37 minus 18, that is equal to 19D will be is equal to 128 minus 52. How much? That is 76. So D will be is equal to 76 by 19. Right? 76 divided by 19. So you will get the value of D, that is equal to how much? D is equal to 4. Right? So you got the value of D. Now you have the value of N, but still we don't know the value of A. What is the value of D in equation 1? D is equal to 4 in equation 1. By placing the value of D in equation 1, we will get, what is equation 1? A plus 18D will be is equal to 52. Here we don't know. Plus 18 into 4, that is equal to 52. And A plus 18 4s are 72. So 52 will remain as it is. A will be 72 to that side, it will become minus 52 minus 72. So A we got the negative because the smaller number minus larger number. So value will be negative. So that is equal to 20. Now we have the value of A. We have the value of D. We have the value of N. You can use the formula for Sn. So Sn will be is equal to N divided by 2 in bracket twice A plus N minus 1 into D. Right? We have N is equal to what? 56 divided by 2. Right? 56 divided by 2. What is A? A is equal to minus 20. 2 into minus 20 plus excuse me. N will be is equal to what? Is equal to 56 minus 1 is D. D is equal to 4. By simplifying this, you will get the easiest answer. It is quite easiest one. 56 by 2 I am keeping as it is. You can even divide also, but minus 20 into 4, okay, minus 20 into 2, that is minus 40, plus 56 minus 1, that is 55, and 55 into 4, it will be is equal to 220. It will be is equal to 220, and 220 minus 40 will be is equal to 180, right? So 56 divided by 2 into 180, you will get the answer. So what? 56 divided by 2, it is 28, right? Multiplied by 180, you will get 5040, right? So the answer, sum of the all the terms, all first 56 terms, that is equals to 5040. You can simplify this, you can divide this, you can easily get the answer over here, right? How? Let me give you the idea. 56 divided by 2, that is 28, multiply by 180. Now you can take a 180 over here, multiply it by 28. So you can either you can use directly the table of the 28, or you can directly multiply 800. 8 8 is a 56. I remember 8 1 is 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5 13. Okay. So something is wrong, I think. What it is? 1440. It will be 4. 8 is a 64. It is 8 is a 64. Right. Okay. So 8 8 is a 64. 0 0 as it is. 8, then 4 will be remainder here. 8 1 is 8 plus 6. That is 14. 1440. That's why I said that something is wrong. 182 is a directly you can multiply here 2 0 0, 8 are 16, 1 remainder, 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 16, right? So 0, then 4, 6 0, 6 plus 4 10, 1 remainder, 1 plus 3 4 plus 1 5. So answer you got, that is 5040. So right, so this is the solution of the problem number 4. Fifth problem you can solve for your homework, because it is an activity. You need to just fill up the sentences. You need to in the bracket. We can say that empty spaces, right? I'm directly going for the problem number 6. Fifth problem is for homework, right? So now problem number 6 is, what is the problem number 6? Sum of first sum of first 55 terms. Sum of first 55 terms. Now they gives you the sum is in an AP in an AP in an AP is 3300, means SN is given, that is 3300. What is the next? What they ask you to find out? Find 28 the terms. Find its 28th term. Find its 20th term. Now 28, that means T28 they ask you to find out. How to write on T28? That is A plus 28 minus 1 into D. Why it is so? Because Tn is always equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A will be remain as it is. Instead of n I have 28 minus 1 into D. So T28 will be is equals to what? A plus 27 D. So that means they ask you to find out the value of A plus 27 D. Okay, so Sn is equals to what? Sn is equals to first 55 terms. That means n will be is equal to 55 here. N will be is equal to 55. Now formula for the Sn will be is equals to what it is? N by 2 in bracket twice A plus n minus 1 into D. They not gave you any the value of first term, that is A is not given, D is not given. Still we can solve the problem. That is the good thing. That is 3300. N by 2 will be remain as it is. What is instead of n? What is instead of n? Here we have, instead of n I can have the value of n is 55. I am keeping it as the 55. 2 into a will be remain as it is. N minus 1, n is what? That is 55 minus 1, that is equal into d. Now this 55 by 2 I am keeping as it is. Twice a will be remain as it is. 55 minus 1, that is 54d, right? Now 54 can be written as, because even this you can simplify easily. I'm just solving over here itself. 55 into 2, 2 into 8, 54 can be written as, that is 27 into 2, or the 2 into 27. I'll take a 2 into 27 d, right? Because 27 2s are 54. Now why I just done like that? Because I can take a 2 common here, I can take a 2 common here, right? And by taking the 2 common, what exactly your answer? That is 55 by 2. I am taking that common over here, and what will remain in the bracket now? If I take a 2 common here, the a will remain. If I take a 2 common here, what will remain? 27d will remain as it is, and here it will be 3300. Now what they ask you to find out? They ask you to find out a plus 27d. So we have the answer. Simplify the remaining term, you will get 28. Now this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. This 55 is get multiplied, it will get divided over here. Now I'm writing over here. So 3300 divided by 55 will be is equal to a plus 27d. What is a plus 27d? That is t28. So now we got the value of t28. That is 3300 divided by 55. So you will get this value is the thing which is equal to 60. So t28 is equal to 60. You can easily divide that. You can use the simplest calculation over here, right? Now it was a quite easiest problem. I'm going to solve the problem number 7 also. Either you can solve 8 or 9, because it is quite we can say that easiest also 8 and 9 also, but 7 I'll solve for you. Seventh problem is a good one, right? Good kind of problem. Now what that seventh problem is? That seventh problem is, it looks little difficult, but it is quite easiest. What that problem is now? In an AP, in an AP, in an arithmetic progression, sum of three consecutive terms. That is very important. Three terms. Three consecutive terms is 27. Right? That means addition of a three consecutive terms in that AP is 27. And what is the next statement? And their product and their multiplication and their wait and their product and their product. Product means their multiplication. The multiplication of those three consecutive terms, right? Product is 504, and they ask you to find the terms. Find these three terms. Right now, this is a question. So let's, in the textbook itself, they gives you the hint that which are the three consecutive terms. First term is a minus d. Second term is okay. I'll take a first term. Not, it is not a first term itself. Any term it is, any term. But out of that three numbers, first number is minus d, second number is a, and third number is a plus d. So these are the three consecutive terms. It is already given in the hint, right? Now, why they will be the three consecutive term? You will get the idea that if you say that this is a first number, this is second number, and this is third number, and definitely by at the end of this solution of this particular problem, you will get that yes, after this number will become, after this number will come, right? Now they gave you what they said, that sum of these three consecutive term is 27. That means a minus d plus a plus a plus d means addition of these three terms is equals to 27, is equals to say 27, right? Addition is given. To simplify this, I'm writing a minus d as it is. I'm just removing the bracket right now. A plus d will be is equals to 27. So what term we can cancel? Minus d and plus d we can cancel. Now what will remain over there? What will remain over there? There will be a plus 3 times a. So 3a will be is equal to 27. That means a will be is equal to 27 by 3. A will be is equal to 9. So what I done over there, I just took this 3 2 on the right hand side and we get divide over there. The 27. So a we got, that is equal to 9. So from the first condition we got the value of a. So what is the second condition? They said that their product, the product of these three consecutive terms, that means a minus d into a plus d. This multiplication of these three terms is equal to 504. I'm going to write down a minus d over here into a plus d. I'm writing little because multiplication you can write down like this also, and the third term is like this, right? Okay, now a minus d, a plus d, that is a formula, that is a square minus b square into a will be is equal to 504. Why it is so? Because there is a formula of a minus d into a plus d. The simplified form of this bracket is a square minus b square. Now place the value of a in this equation. 9 square minus b square into 9 is equals to, into 9, instead of a 9, 504. Take a 9 to this side. So what will happen? 9 square minus b square will be in the bracket, will be is equal to 504 divided by 9, and 504 divided by 9 is equal to 56. You can simplify this, right? So 9 square minus b square. You may say that, sir, how it is so? Let me solve for you. Divided by 9. 504 divided by 9. 9 4 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. right? And what will remain? 50 minus 45, that is 5 will remain. Then take this 4 to this side. 9 6 are 9 6 are 54. This way 504 divided by 9 equal to 56. Okay. Now 9 square I'm keeping over here, that is nothing but 81. This minus b square to this side, take 56 to this side. So plus 56 become minus 56. And this minus b square will come to this side, it will become plus b square, right? So 81 minus 56, how much it is? 25. So 25 will be is equals to b square. That means b will be is equals to what? 5. Now we got the value of a, that is 9. The value of b is equals to d. So the three consecutive terms were a minus d, then a, and then a plus d. Right? So a will be is equals to what? 9. D is equals to what? 5. What is a? That is nothing but a 9. What is a plus d? That is 9 plus 5. So which are the three consecutive terms here? We have the three consecutive terms, that is 4, then 9 minus 4, 5, 4, and then 9, and then how it is so? How is that so? It is not b, it is here d, a minus d square, a minus d, okay, d, this is d, it is d, right? D here we have 5. Now 9 plus 5, that is nothing but a what? That is nothing but a what? 14. Then you can say that 4, then 9 and 14 are three consecutive terms, and they are in increasing order, right? 9 if I add, and they are definitely three consecutive terms in AP because they have the common difference. 9 minus 4, 5, and for 14 minus 9, again 5. So consecutive common difference is constant, therefore these are the terms of the AP, right? So let's stop for the today's session. The problem number 8 and 9 you can solve, means problem number 5, 8 and 9 you can solve for your homework, right? So homework is mentioned right now over here and need to submit me. Many of the students need to solve. All these are very easiest problem, right? Okay, stop here.